Ulhasnagar. So today I am given this topic. I know that you have been going through a tough and technical sessions, a little tough for people who have not that background. So here today we'll deal more about the management of horticulture crops. So all in all, I'll try to make it simpler and easier as much as I can. And in that ways, let's see how much we can interchange our ideas, and it would be a two-way session, of course. So let's see, this is value chain management in horticulture crops. Oh my God. I'm a little weak in this one. Next. It is not supporting already. Even then. Karthik. So by the time he does it, we observe a change in the entire food system or the scenario right now. ठीक है? पहले क्या था? मैं थोड़ा सा business point of view से discuss करेंगे. Just check if it can change. Otherwise, we can not go with the play system. We can directly have 1, 2, 3, 4. Earlier, what it was, हम जब management में हम business में बात करते हैं, consumer, no, we used to start from producer. For example, if I'm a producer, what I want to produce, I start with that. मुझे अगर tea, normal tea produce करनी है, let me take example of tea if it has come to my mind. So I would start, मुझे इस तरीके की tea बनानी है. I would produce according to my circumstances, infrastructure, whatever technical expertise I have, and then further I'll see to the if everything is all right, set my price, and then finally the consumer would buy. This was the chain that we used to follow. We used to earlier. चलता था ऐसा. Economics में भी हमने देखा पहले यही system चलता था. जो produce हुआ है वो आप खरीद रहे हैं. ठीक है? Now the scene has changed. This is also known as chain reversal. Chain reversal says that this happens with me. So what chain reversal says? Now it is more of consumer oriented. Things are more consumer oriented. I do not want normal tea. आपने देखा होगा हम यहाँ पे भी कम सर्व कर रहे हैं normal tea. Alright, I need lemon tea, purple tea, white tea for that matter, which is so new. And according to consumers' need, I means consumer. Consumers need this. Everything is designed, and then finally the producer produces it according to the need of the consumer. This is entirely the chain reversal that we have observed. And for this entire system, what do we require? We require, yes, this is known as something which we produce till your table. This is farm to fork when it comes to agriculture products or horticulture products. All right. A common terminology which you would be hearing now and then is farm to fork. That means जो farm में produce होता है वो fork आपकी table तक आने तक till you have it, वो कैसा मतलब what is the entire chain that you follow, and this chain when you see is known as supply chain. A small term, supply chain. Earlier it used to be supply chain. Agri value, the first one. इसमें PPT. Or if you want to open the PDF, better. Is it PDF? No, it is not PDF. It is not PDF. It is PDF of the lecture, entire lecture that I have distributed. इसको close करो. I need PPT only. ठीक है. Let it be. So this chain is what? Supply chain में क्या होता है? अब ये terminology है supply chain. A fancy or newer terminology is value chain. Now, what was supply chain or what is it still? Still, you would be hearing SCM is so much in, it is in these days, buzzword है अभी भी, but उससे भी ज़्यादा हम value chain बोलते हैं. What is supply chain? This is interconnected, as it is said, is chain-like, interconnected with each other, and the entire flow of goods from raw material till the final end user. जो पूरी हम chain देखते हैं वो होती है हमारी supply chain. All right, and in this supply chain it is not necessary that we have too many stakeholders, because having too many stakeholders the profit divides accordingly. So we try to minimize the supply chain as much as possible, but at the same time it creates a problem as well. तो इस supply chain में generally क्या होता है, हमारे पास supplier होता है, बीच में interchangeable वो हमारे traders होंगे, and then finally we have consumer. So it is nevertheless I can't say that it is always 3 stakeholders ही होते हैं, 3, 5, 7 ऐसे बहुत ही कम होंगे, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. But a newer term, yes, अच्छा इसका फॉन्ट भी चेंज हो गया भाई. Keep it like this only. Thank you. But a better term is value chain, which we'll study today. Now, value chain was first used by Michael Porter. If people from marketing background know this, he's considered like, I shouldn't say like God, but yes, he is the main personality of marketing. So, Professor Michael Porter, in his book of analysis of competitive advantage, gave this terminology first time value chain, which include the full range of activities from raw material to its designing, production, handling everything, and then finally the product or services to delivery. For example, आप flowers की बात करते हैं, floriculture flowers. आपने उसको it is not that easy to maintain all these things, you know. This is what value chain tells us. आप रोजबड देखते हैं कि हमारे पास अलग अलग वेराइटी के रोजेस होते हैं, बट हाउ कम पीपल कम इनटू दिस बिजनेस? दे फाइनली ट्राई टू फैंसी करने की कोशिश करते हैं, उसको डिजाइन देने की कोशिश करते हैं, कवर इन दिस सेलोफिन शीट, एंड देन उसकी मार्केटेबिलिटी ऐसे कर दें कि इट शुड बी व्हेन एनी कंज्यूमर के पास जाए तो वो उतनी वैल्यू देने के लिए द पर्सन शुड बी रेडी, द कंज्यूमर शुड बी रेडी. So what we do in value chain, at each step, we add value. This is the difference. Supply chain में एक normal चीज रहेगी, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा उसमें they do not make much difference. But in value chain, and that's why hence the word value chain analysis, in each step we try to add value to the whatever step we are following, to the stakeholders steps. Okay, it starts with raw material, consists of everything that is added to it so that it is before it is sold to the consumer. Now the types of activities that are included here, generally we have primary as well as secondary activities involved in value chain analysis, and this is common for all, irrespective of agricultural crops, I mean products. Any crop would have these two major activities, and I would request you all to just go through these activities because these are the base for any value chain. One is inbound logistics, that means from raw material to the manufacturing plant. All right. प्रोसेसिंग से पहले जितना भी आ रहा है वो वहां से लेके यहाँ तक जितना भी होता है वो आपका इनबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स होता है, मूवमेंट. ऑलराइट. सेकंड इज ऑपरेशंस, दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज इन हाउस लॉजिस्टिक्स. थर्ड इज और इन प्रोसेस लॉजिस्टिक्स. थर्ड इज आउटबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स, दैट मींस आपके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट से व्हेन इट गोज आउटसाइड, दैट इज आउटबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स. फाइनली मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स एंड देन सर्विसेज. दिस इज द प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी व्हिच इज इन्वॉल्वड इन एनी वैल्यू चेन. I'll just show you a typical value chain example as well. Support activities are this: procurement, HR, technological, and this. This is the diagram. This is the main thing that was given by Porter's, and this is known as Porter's value chain. Here, there, everywhere you would find this diagram, wherein you can see these are the primary activities available. Inbound logistics, B2B. Generally, it is B2B. B2B means business to business. Okay? Backend. Then operations, in process logistics within the manufacturing place you have various. Amazon के आपने houses देखे होंगे, कहीं पर भी देखा होगा. अगर मैं उतना भी logistic management करूंगी, नया manufacturing नहीं भी हो रही है but in process जो हो रहा है, and then outbound packed होके जब आपको finally बाहर मिलता है, this. Then marketing and sales, most important primary activity. Finally the services that you offer. आजकल आपने देखा होगा इतना tough हो गया, for everything you need to write a feedback. आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, the person comes first to you, please give us feedback. You go 10 times, they'll ask you 10 times feedback. So this is one of the important thing. अभी आप इसमें देखेंगे आपकी support activities का feedback from consumers is also included now because they want to, as I said, value chain में क्या हो गया, consumers के idea लेके and then they are producing what they can produce or they should be producing which is required. These are the support activities of this primary activities. Without human resource, that means the personnel, we cannot, any of the activities cannot be performed, of course. Technological development much needed. If you want to pace up with the current scenario, आपको अगर इनके साथ चलना है, तो you must advance in technology. I think the previous lecture was about AI and ML, and we all have been we have seen the evolution earlier in class. I used to say, do not Google. Now I say, do not chat GPT. So this is the evolution that we are seeing, right? Technological development, procurement, purchasing of anything. This is a typical value chain of agricultural value chain or horticulture, you say by means anything. The input supply, most of the students here at CABM also or any agribusiness management, they work in this field only, input supply. This consists of your seeds, all right, fertilizers, any input you say, सीड्स, फर्टिलाइजर, बेसिकली एग्रोकेमिकल्स, ठीक है, ये वाला हमारा पोर्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, इसमें हमारे मैनेजर्स दे वर्क इन दिस ओनली, वी प्रोड्यूस मैनेजर्स फॉर इनपुट सप्लाई, यू मे से. Then comes the agricultural production, of course, उसके बाद जो producer, first level handling, you know far better, sorting, grading, whatever, and then processors, finally it goes to wholesalers, retailers and consumers. ये typical chain है, और इसको हम कितना vast और better बना सकते हैं, that is, here is the difference, value chain and supply chain. If it is not visible, please bear with the slides. A common supply chain is like this: raw material goes to the suppliers, manufacturing, distributor and customer. A supply chain sources raw material, builds products, distributes it to the customer. आप अपना ही, मैंने एक टी का एग्जांपल दिया, ब्राउन टी या नॉर्मल टी आपको मिले, आपने पैक कर दिया, नो मैटर कौन सी आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी है, रेड लेबल में भी, लिप्टन. व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ दिस टी पर 250 ग्राम? एनीवन? जनरल जो नॉर्मल टी होती है, क्या प्राइस है उसका? 150 rupees for 250 gram. You have no idea? Any fair idea? 200 रुपए, 250 रुपए, 250 रुपए for 250 gram. Can I say this? 250 rupees for 250 gram. Now see the difference in value chain, customer, innovation. Just check with Sancha Teas, SANCHA, Sancha Teas का ही देखना. White tea ले आए हैं, उसमें भी lavender flavor है, and then the caption that they give it so lucrative, something that arouses this, that gives fragrance to the entire house, what not, innovation. Now the design, the box is made so lucrative that you know you feel like purchase. At least उसको खरीद के अपने कैबिनेट में रख लें तो सुंदर लगेगा. It enhances the beauty. और वहाँ जैसे ऐसे कोई भी मिंटो डेवलपमेंट, मतलब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग व्हाइट टी इज नॉट दैट इजी, ठीक है, उसका डेवलपमेंट. एंड देन फाइनली मार्केटिंग विद द पीपल, कंसेप्ट सेलिंग. मेरे आपके जैसे लोग कितना जानते हैं व्हाइट टी? आई डू नॉट नो. I have drank it once, twice, but it takes courage for me to drink it on a regular basis. Price, ask me. I just checked few days back, 1500 for 100 grams. Because these are added and they value, consumer से आया है. Purple tea, for instance, what is purple tea? Simply you have hibiscus, dried hibiscus, daily आप ले लो, sachet में आ रहा है. Wow, people are so happy to drink blue tea, purple tea. Here at Pandega we're so blessed. मुझे भी पीना होता है, सुबह से एक फूल तोड़ती हूँ and I drink that purple tea. You may say it is of no cost, but look at the innovation people has done. Drying hibiscus, China rose. People are getting into it, and this is what we as agribusiness managers have to learn about the entire value chain. How to make it so lucrative that it reaches to the consumer what they want. You have to play with the mind. Simply. Blue tea. कौन सा होता है वो फ्लावर ब्लू टी का? ब्लू टी इज अपराजिता फ्लावर. चले जाओ यहाँ ऐसी ऐसी दिख जाता है झाड़ी की तरह ना. वी डू नॉट इवन पे हिट टू अपराजिता फ्लावर. ऐसा लगता है ठीक है कोई ब्लू फ्लावर. इट इज ब्लू टी, वेरी इफेक्टिव, वेरी नाइस. Same in the case of makhanas. You must have seen makhana was confined to Bihar sometimes, and still it is prominent to Bihar. But जब से healthy eating, healthy food diet, it has become a you know cash product. क्यों मैं क्या कहूँ उसको? I do not know what name should be. It is like gold mines for them now. Super food. बिल्कुल उससे अच्छा कुछ है ही नहीं. Yes. It is a buzzword now. You go to any dietitian, they would tell मखाना खाना शुरू कर दो. You take fox nut, किसके आते हैं वो मखाना आते हैं, रोस्टेड मखाना इतना सा. It's a huge. I mean, but people are buying it because it has all come from customer only. It's not what producer wanted to sell. Because अगर producer wanted to sell होता तो पहले से ही वहाँ से हो रहा होता, दरभंगा and all the states. And it is so tedious to get all these things. The value chain, ये हम आगे आएंगे. We'll talk about the other thing, farm gate ratio also. A simple differentiation, if you can just see out of the entire discussion we had. Value chain focuses downstream, that means it's come from this consumer, and then finally we narrow down like this. And whereas supply chain focuses upstream, नीचे से ऊपर. बिल्कुल business की बात कर रहे हैं. Think so technical. Win-win strategy for both. मुझे चाहिए, आपने दे दिया, आपको चाहिए, वो मुझे मिल गया. I wanted money for my product, you were ready to pay it, you paid it. But here it is a win-lose strategy. Whatever I produce, you bought it because nothing else is available. मेरे को तो पैसा मिल गया, but you are at loss. ठीक है, it is a win-lose strategy. Suppliers are strategic partners here, of course. कुछ ही लोग होंगे जो ऐसे exotic items या something different would be processing where you have to add value. आप आजकल देखते हैं ड्रैगन फ्रूट का भी बड़ा ट्रेंड चल गया सडनली. ऐसा लगता है ये फ्रूट ही कुछ नया है. Don't you feel that? Dragon fruit, and then the other one kiwi तो है ही. One more, avocado is in trend. Avocado toast, avocado this, everything avocado, and they do not know what is it has. You know, pros and cons सभी के होते हैं. Cons भी हैं, लेकिन people are eating avocado. They are asking their kids also to get into it. A sudden fruit, a sudden thing in this environment. So what it is because people are acting as strategic partners. That's why. Of course, when they are strategic partner welfare, operation efficiency should be located at each and every level, local, regional, हर जगह आपकी operational efficiency होनी चाहिए. What do I mean by that? Dragon fruit का मैंने farm तो अपना कर लिया established, but I should be able to procure it properly. Then mishandling नहीं होनी चाहिए. I'll show you a few pictures also of what we regularly observe. This is from day-to-day life. मिसहैंडलिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. जब तक कंज्यूमर को मिले तो वो वैसा ही मिले जैसा ड्रैगन फ्रूट होता है, वो सच में ड्रैगन ना हो जाए. Imagine berries, for example, how tough it is. I really feel for these people who have berries farm, be it strawberry, mulberry, any berry. कितनी short life होती है उसकी. It has really very short life. For example, bananas ही आप देख लीजिए बाहर क्या हालत होती है. अगर whenever I see these hawkers selling bananas, वो पूरा दिन कैसे रख लेते हैं. हमसे 6 bananas घर में अच्छे से नहीं रखे जाते. We buy 6. We do not buy 12 a dozen if you are only 2 people at home. You do not buy it because you know that it will overripe and then you are going to throw it. But these people, they keep dozens just because we have improper supply chain. They are also in loss. Talk to them. I was once talking to one of this fellow, this hawker. He was selling only bananas. तो मैंने कहा मुझे अभी बच्चे को अभी खिलाना है, अब थोड़ा पका पका ऐसे भी चलेगा. कह रहे मैडम वो तो आप कह रहे हैं, अदरवाइज पीपल वांट एकदम फ्रेश बढ़िया. मैंने कहा तो क्या करते हो. कह रहे कुछ नहीं, हम तो गायों को डाल देते हैं. How big heart they have. And we people, we keep on fighting for this. We need fresh, we need nice. Now here is our role, and not say philanthropy, our role as agribusiness manager to have a proper infrastructure system or a logistical system wherein we can enter and provide them something. Thanks to this various supermarts which have brought this idea from abroad to our country now, wherein we have cooling system, we have FNVs available, fruits and vegetables available in, if you go to Smart Point, Spencer, anywhere, we have these ideas. But अभी भी हमारी major जो sellers हैं वो तो ऐसे ही हैं, है ना? We do not have anything for them. So this operational inefficiency can be observed. Next is a few more differences. It focuses more on processes. Value chain. आपका process कैसे हो रहा है, कितना है, adding more value. And yes, when you add more value, you can demand more price as well. ठीक है? They use post-harvest technology. Here, the high levels of post-harvest loss can be observed. Even now, we have not achieved everywhere in all the products post-harvest technology management. And this is what I'll be dealing in the second half of this lecture. ICT enabler and so many consumer pull marketing. So here, I would like to show you one video as well, if you allow me. कहाँ आएगा? कहाँ आएगा भाई? Okay. No voice, but it had voice. Check किया था मैंने.
Farouk is a smallholder tomato farmer in Kaduna. Mama Evie runs a catering business in Lagos. Part of Mama Evie's weekly purchases. Whatever Farouk does with his tomato directly affects the quality and price of tomatoes that Mama Evie will buy. This is so because of the value chain. Think about the value chain as the chain. If one part is missing, the chain becomes dysfunctional. Farouk needs the right type of fertilizer, irrigation, and harvesting services to get the bumper harvest. Unless there is guaranteed offtake, Farouk starts to run a race against time, so the tomatoes do not go bad. The middlemen load them up in trucks, but these trucks often break down on the long, tortuous roads to the markets, and the race of rot often catches up with the produce, leading to waste and higher prices by the time they reach Mama Bibi. Meanwhile, Farouk is caught up in a cycle of poverty because he must sell at a very low price. Organizing the whole range of goods, processes, and services necessary for the agricultural products to move smoothly from the farm to the final customer or consumer must be a priority for us all.
An inclusive market system that promotes fairness and certainly will ensure that farmers get rewarded here on Earth. If this assumes the attention of a renewed commodities exchange system, warehousing, contract farming, and credit will be addressed seamlessly. A well-defined system will also enable investments in efficient and sensible forms of processing and transportation. Technology as an enabler for capacity building and efficiency in agriculture is a significant tool for organization, data collection, and execution. There is a significant potential for job creation in the development of a tailored value chain for agriculture. At the end, with the right level of commitment to value chain development, the link between Farouk and Mama Evie will no longer be tedious.
Practical impairment that we have. Again, they are Ajmeri classes. What next? Okay. Sorry. So here is a typical value chain, horticultural value chain that you can see. We have already talked in video as well. Just see the input supply, post-harvest farmers. This is fresh, healthy vegetables here. Then post-harvest handling, production house, then producers, goes into various this, and then logistically delivery. You can deliver directly or otherwise processing, then distribution networks and so on. Or this is more related to fruits and vegetables. We are not talking about ornamental plants here in this particular chain. The stakeholders that are involved, you have already seen. I'll just name them out. The government agencies are the prime importance. We cannot keep them aside. आपने सुना होगा कि we want to do something like आपको कोई plant manufacturing plant लगाना, processing plant for instance, agro processing unit. So यहाँ paperwork, especially in India or anywhere else. So government agencies have to be taken. There are so many norms. I was just going through NHB के इतने सारे आपके although policies भी आई हैं, but there are certain norms that you have to abide by, and then only you can move into this direction. Agri and Food Institutes, SAUs तो prime है ही, ICR से related whatever institutes we have. Farmers as primary producers, agri input dealers, quality certificate agencies, इतने सारे stakeholders आपके पूरे value chain में आते हैं. Traders, transporters, financiers, processors, and consumers. I was just going through one report here at Udham Singh Nagar, especially regarding value chain, agriculture value chain. यहाँ पर जनरली हमने देखा है कि ये दो तीन जो होते हैं, these are dealt by one or two people only. मतलब वही ट्रेडर ही यहाँ पर दो तीन आपके, आप अगर जाएंगे वहाँ मार्केट मंडी में तो a single person handling 2-3 things. There are no different stakeholders for it. Why? The main reason is to minimize the chain so that the profit does not distribute over many hands. So they have expertise, gained expertise over the time by virtue of the work that they are doing. And now you can see that you would have only one person for these things. Fine. Now, since we have talked so much about horticultural value chain, ये होना चाहिए, theory तो सारी समझ आ गई. Then what is the real problem that lies, or what is the good about us, that why we are talking about horticultural value chain? Why is it so important when you are dealing with greenhouse management? The advantage here in India, the real advantage is we have 52% of cultivable land, and which is really a high number. I should say it is very good number. Seeing the otherwise also the area of our country, we have cultivable land 52%, but are we really using this cultivable land? It has converted into concrete jungle, most of them. Otherwise, share in the world production of fruit is 8% and vegetables is 15%. Production में कोई कमी नहीं है हमारे. ये आप जान लीजिए, आपको पता ही होगा. We have been reading it now and then. We are number one in so many fruits and vegetables too. Mango में कौन सा नंबर है? Second. हाँ, right. So हाँ प्रोडक्शन में तो नंबर 1 है, बट डिस्पाइट दैट प्रोडक्शन वी आर नॉट एबल टू, आपको दिखता है कि इज इट इजीली अवेलेबल टू ऑल ऑफ अस? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. प्राइस हाइक से हम डील कर ही रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है. व्हाई? विल कम टू द अदर स्लाइड आल्सो. वी हैव 15 मेजर क्लाइमेट्स, 20 एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स. ये इतना हमारे लिए पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स है, बिकॉज यू नो देयर आर फ्यू फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल विच आर पिक्युलर टू वन रीजन ओनली. कुछ ऐसे फ्रूट्स होते हैं जो उसी कंट्री में मिलते हैं. हमारे यहाँ एक ही कंट्री में नॉर्थ में कुछ मिल रहा है, साउथ में कुछ मिल रहा है, एवरीवेयर वी हैव. एंड क्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स हमारा इतना वेरिड है, 20 एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स. it is a matter of pride for us. And yes, because of this we have Center for Biodiversity also. But since we have so much advantage, even then we are not able to fulfill our population. Why? The first most important is we have largest number of poor here in our country. This has to be dealt. है ना, लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ रूरल पुअर कह लीजिए, लो रैंक इन एक्सपोर्ट. आई जस्ट गॉट दिस डेटा फ्यू डेज बैक, 1.22 to 1% ओनली हम इतना एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं पूरे ग्लोबल मार्केट में, डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट हम इतना सारा प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्सपोर्ट में हम कहीं पे भी नहीं. 14th इन वेजिटेबल एंड 23rd इन फ्रूट्स. तो कहीं तो हमारी चेन में प्रॉब्लम है, कहीं तो है कि हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और वो एंड कंज्यूमर तक पहुंच ही नहीं रहा है. I happen to, again I'm giving this tea example. I do not know why tea is today here, because you just came out of this tea break. So we met this recruiter, a few officials from one tea company organization, and he was mentioning that the tea that we get here, he has worked in tea organization for past 10-15 years and at a very high position. The tea that is served in India, I mean that is packed in India, is the last grade tea that is available. कह रहे हैं मैम आप भूसा पैक करते हैं हम लोग. दिस वॉज हिज वर्ड. एंड ये अच्छा लेवल का नेशनल लेवल पर्सन, इवन आई डोंट वांट टू रिवील हिज नेम. आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू हियर. कह रहे आता ही नहीं है उस ग्रेड का. हम जो बेस्ट है बाहर, जितना बेस्ट है, चाहे दार्जिलिंग से, चाहे केरला से, चाहे कहीं से भी हो, सारा बाहर. हियर यू गेट द लास्ट वाला जो छन के नीचे रह जाता है, दैट. यू सी ओट मील्स, रोल्ड ओट्स. यहाँ कोई कितना कहते रोल्ड ओट्स, द रियल रोल्ड ओट्स विल गेट इन यूएस. यहाँ बिल्कुल आटे जैसा, लास्ट तो उसका आटा ही होता है, चाहे वो केलॉग्स ले लीजिए. we are used to it and we are happy with whatever we are getting. We have to come out of this thing also. Then finally, the most important or the lacuna of our country is the wastage of harvested food items. Production but not able to reach the right. Now this wastage is because of mishandling, of course. At each step, supply chain की हर step पे mishandling है. Poor transportation facilities. आपको पता है KFC अगर कहीं पे भी होता है, they have, their chicken is authentic. And do you believe that अगर आपको नॉर्थ के लिए, अगर मैं स्पेशली बात करूँ, नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट साउथ, फ्यू स्टेट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ, उनका चिकन एक ही जगह से सप्लाई होता है. आपको बहुत फ्रेश लगता होगा वो, ऑल दोज हु आर इनटू KFC चिकन. दे वन हब हरियाणा में ही है, समवेयर नियर करनाल आई गेस. तो वहां से सप्लाई होता है, तो एक प्रॉपर होगा ना उसका कुछ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी. वी हैव टू मेंटेन इट. उनके वैन्स अलग है, उनके पर्सनलाइज वैन्स है, सब कुछ है. उससे चाहे वो हल्द्वानी क्यों ना आता हो, वहीं से आता है. उसके बाद उसमें प्रोसेसिंग एंड व्हाटएवर मसाला एटसेट्रा. बट सी, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. जब KFC कर सकते हैं, हमारे और चीजों के लिए वी हैव सो पुअर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी हियर. अनअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कोल्ड स्टोर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, तो हमने वी फेस दिस ड्यूरिंग कोविड टाइम्स एज वेल. वी आर नथिंग, आई मीन हमारे फार्मास्यूटिकल्स के लिए भी इतना मुश्किल होता था ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ टफ टाइम. Unavailability of cold store at the proximity of farms. Can anyone let me know which produce has the highest percentage of cold storage? Potato? Should have. Now this is another normative statement. They should have. That's what I'm saying. We do not have cold storage. आपको पता है, बचपन से भी सुना होगा cold storage वाला आलू, सुना था ना, सुनते ही आए हैं. Why? Because 70% of cold storage is for aloo only. Only aloo is raja of vegetable in India. राजा ये सब में डाल दो आलू, it's everywhere. But इतना उसको वैल्यू कर रखी कि only 70% of cold storage of आलू, रेस्ट को ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे. And here we need to intervene. Actually, we need to intervene. And you must have seen in past few years, cold storage upcoming, mushrooming like anything. People are who have entrepreneurial mindset, they are into cold storage setting up because they see the future now, because it is required. Production है, पहुंच ही नहीं रहा है. और आज की डेट में ऐसा नहीं है ना कि यहीं पर प्रोड्यूस हुआ यहीं बेचना है. People want to sell it beyond the boundaries. फ्लावर आपका, अगर मैं चाफी की बात करूं, जहाँ इतना फ्लोरिकल्चर इंडो डच हमारा बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था, तो वहां से फ्लावर सीधा दिल्ली, दिल्ली से बाहर. तो it is not that we are selling thing in C2. We have to sell it somewhere else across the boundaries. For this, cold storage are required. और perishable item की बात, poor infrastructure. You have n number of articles on this poor structure. ये है ही नहीं. आप FCI के गोडाउन्स देख लीजिए और कोई भी देख लीजिए, FCI के रिपोर्ट्स ही इतनी lucrative होती है, क्या करें. So along with that, the challenges that we have is it is highly perishable. कोई भी horticulture item हो, we have it is highly perishable. मैंने berries की बात करी, strawberries को आप देख लीजिए, एक box आता है, वो कितने दिन तक आप, if you purchase, you have to eat it in the same day or next day if you store it properly. जरा सा भी इधर-उधर temperature का हुआ, खराब. Fragmented supply chain, poor infrastructure again, weak market linkages, ये भी बहुत important है. Weak market linkages. We do not have connections with people. Grower grow कर रहा है, उसको पता ही नहीं है कहाँ पर जाना है. एक दो से ही वही snowballing effect. एक से पूछा दूसरे ने, बस इतना है. Market linkages अच्छे से created ही नहीं है because we do not have any such, you know. अभी थोड़ा बहुत मैं देखती हूँ horticulture board वगैरह ने काफी इस पे work करा है, but earlier, even now, it is not approached the people. Concept selling is a problem. People do not have such idea. Climate change vulnerability, of course, ये आपको पता ही. अगर मुझे कोई चीज यहाँ से इंडिया में ही, मैंने अभी देखा, अब बताया आपको 15 क्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स है, तो मुझे कोई चीज यहाँ से राजस्थान साइड भेजनी है, तो वहां जाते जाते ही पता नहीं क्या होगा, वहां पे वो चीज सर्वाइव होगी नहीं, आई डू नॉट नो. Forget about it. I'll talk about one plant I got from generally while coming from this hilly areas in Uttarakhand, Kumaon में, भीमताल के आसपास है. Whenever I'm so fascinated, I get one plant, मैं सोचती हूँ इस बार तो ये अच्छे से रहेगा. 15 days, 20 days, वहां से यहाँ तक भी वो 20 days, maximum 1 month, टिकता ही नहीं. It cannot, it is, मतलब that plant is unable to survive because of this change in climate change vulnerability. I guess this is the only reason, because whatever environment I can provide. लेकिन वो जो भीमताल साइड का टेम्परेचर है और यहाँ का है, वो डिफरेंस है. Every time I can't keep my plants in AC also. They need sun, they need everything, but वही succulent specially सब खराब हो जाते हैं. So अगर इतने एरिया में, in the difference of, you know, just a few kilometers, तो across 1000 kilometers में तो hundreds of kilometers, it is a problem. We all have witnessed this. चले जाइए सब्जी मंडी, at farm level spoilage, agent level spoilage. Everyone has witnessed this thing. कभी हाट या सब्जी मंडी जाते हैं, हमेशा ऐसे उछल चल के जाना पड़ता है, कहीं कुछ पैर में न लग जाए. But still we can't skip that point. Everything is on floor, everything. Retailer level, look at the spoilage. And finally the sales level. And now I would invite you to see this data, and this is so very disheartening. The wastage spoilage estimated per year, and for this year I tell you it is 92,600 something per annum है, और जिसमें कि 17,000 is for foods. 17,000 crores. बहुत मायने रखता है. मतलब इतना हम, we are losing this thing. Forget about producing. We are losing. See how rich we are. We are losing such a high amount. We should be proud of ourselves. इतना अमीर है, हमारे खराब हो रहा, कोई बात नहीं. Look at this. And this range, मैंने कुछ सालों का भी, I just checked कि what is the difference, is it right now or earlier also. It varies with 1 or 2 number only. Like 21 है तो कभी 20, 18, 19, ऐसा यहाँ 23. Look at the percentage losses in the various vegetables we have. सबसे ज़्यादा टमाटो में. टमाटो is really a perishable. I mean, मुझे अपने एक स्टूडेंट का याद आता है. I was taking this course in class, so he just mentioned, and with a choked throat he said that, ma'am, once I have a farm, and here at हल्द्वानी से थोड़ा आगे, of we have this time हमने यहाँ पे टमाटो लगवाया था, but price इतना low आया कि पापा and we all were so much into, मतलब देख के लग रहा था कि लॉस ही होगा, तो हमने पूरे में ट्रैक्टर चला दिया. मैम अब तो खेती से विश्वास उठ गया, ही said this, and which was the prime, the only income they had out of this. They were agricultural farmers. So that's why मैंने कहा then why are you into agribusiness management? Why MBA? Ma'am, I want to look at this thing now at another level because people who suffer they know. अपने पूरे खेत में आपने अगर छोटी छोटी क्यारी में भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आती है, कभी कुछ खराब हो जाता है, एक फ्लावर भी जरा सा मुरझाता है तो यू नो वी फील पेन. उसको बड़े अच्छे से करते कि अरे ये आज किसी ने जरबेरा तोड़ दिया, किसी ने कुछ कर दिया. And imagine the entire lot which was income for them out of this agony. This happens because of this. Now here I have not mentioned the wastage level at farm retail agent level. इसको हम farm gate ratio भी कहते हैं, कहीं पर आएगा. Here इंडियन हॉर्टिकल्चर सप्लाई चेन में क्या सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है? एक तो बहुत सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स आइसोलेशन में काम करते, देयर इज नो कंसोलिडेशन. एंड वी हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन दिस सिंस लॉन्ग दैट फार्मर्स भी कंसोलिडेटेड होने चाहिए, फार्म्स भी कंसोलिडेटेड होने चाहिए, फ्रेगमेंटेड नहीं होने चाहिए. प्लस द स्टेक होल्डर्स आल्सो शुड नॉट वर्क इन आइसोलेशन, अकेले नहीं, दे शुड वर्क इन कोहेरेंस. लैक ऑफ डिमांड एस्टिमेशन, ये तो हमारा पुअर रहता ही है हमेशा, क्लास में भी बहुत पढ़ाया जाता है हाउ टू एस्टिमेट डिमांड, वहीं तक लिमिटेड हो जाता है. वी हैव few agencies also upcoming on demand estimation only. We have SkyMet Solutions etc. which work on weather forecasting and finally demand forecasting. All right. So demand estimation is little poor here in our country. Lack of technological application. Drone आया, अभी मैं पूछ रही थी students who are back from internship. I asked them what is this drone दीदी का concept बहुत चल रहा है, आपने सुना होगा, नमो ड्रोन दीदी, this that. So 5 of my students were into this only. They are saying मैम वो दे तो दिया उन्हें ड्रोन, उसके बाद दे आर नॉट एबल टू ऑपरेट इट. और सारी जिम्मेदारी उनकी है, ट्रांसपोर्ट करना, आना जाना, खराब जाता है तो वो गया कंपनी को वापस. नो प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग अगर एक बार दे भी देते दे डू नॉट नो व्हाट नेक्स्ट. टेक्नोलॉजी ले आते हैं, उसके बाद प्रॉपर एप्लीकेशन. मैं तो उसके आगे आई वुड से वन मोर थिंग, सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट थिंग, सस्टेन करना, that is required. So very good concept, drone didi, and then everything, the entire agricultural chain to be observed by these drones, but they are not able to handle it properly. So training at each level is required. Finally, the worst retail to farm grade ratio. Anyone who can tell me what is retail to farm grade ratio? Any idea about it?
Like produced versus what is reaching at retail.
Right. फार्म गेट, फार्म के गेट से निकलते टाइम जो प्राइस है, कॉस्ट, ठीक है, फाइनली जो रिटेलर के पास है, दैट रेशियो हमारा इंडिया में इट्स टू पुअर. 2 रुपीज से I was saying something, if it is costing 2 rupees, it finally reaches to 100 rupees to retailer, but farmer को 2 रुपये मिलता है. 2 rupees. अब this is a recent thing, I'm not talking about decades. अभी भी ये हाल है. A person here in our college, he is working here, subordinate staff, he was telling, मैम हमारे तो रही इतनी हो रही है कि 10 रुपए नहीं, 5 रुपए कुंटल बेच रहे हैं. इमेजिन, कह रहे हैं और कुछ तो ऐसे ले जाते हैं गांव में. he is from Bihar. What pathetic condition we have, and it is all because of this poor supply chain only. प्रोड्यूस तो कर दिया, कह रहे मैम पता ही नहीं किसको दें क्या जाए, तो 5 रुपए कुंटल ही मिल रहा है, तो कितना कर लेते हैं? कह रहे 2 कुंटल हो जाता है तो बहुत है. 10 रुपए, कितनी मेहनत करी होगी फ्रॉम सिंस स्टार्ट टिल एंड. हर एक से बचाना भी पड़ता है, जानवर भी होते हैं, और मेनी थिंग्स, क्लाइमेट अलग है, जानवर अलग है, टाइम पे इरिगेशन, एवरीथिंग. सो इमेजिन, दिस इज द रियल इंडिया, दिस इज द सिनेरियो. ट्रेडिशनल मार्केट्स, ये चेन का ही पार्ट है, होलसेलर के पास बात है. ये देखा ही आप सबने, यही हाल होता है. मंडी गए कोई, आजाद मंडी, आजादपुर मंडी देखा है किसी ने? हालत देखिए वहां की. नो, नॉट सीन. सुबह 3-4 बजे सारी डीलिंग हो जाती है ऐसे करके, ऐसे, है ना. तो यही है मंडी का हाल. इतना सुंदर दृश्य, और हमें लगता है बहुत फ्रेश खा रहे हैं. दिस, लुक एट द पैकेजिंग दे आर. आधा तो यहीं पर वेस्टेज है. Low investment chain packaging house are like this. Retail still better, although low investment, it's still better. जब से हमारे यहाँ बिग बास्केट एंड अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे हैव इंटरवीन इनटू F&B सेक्टर, तो काफी देखा है फार्मर्स को भी दे आर गेटिंग अ गुड प्राइस, एज वेल एज कैन यू बिलीव बिग बास्केट हैज आल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड वन पॉलिसी, आई मीन इसमें भी रिटर्न है. अगर आपने फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंगो खरीदा, यू डिड नॉट फाइंड इट ओके, रिटर्न कर दो, कस्टमर कैन रिटर्न इट. फिर वो फाइनली क्या होता है, आई डो नॉट नो, स्टूडेंट्स आर टेलिंग मी जो इंटर्न करके है, तो टेक्नोलॉजी हैज गॉन अप एंड कंज्यूमर की डिमांड देखिए कितनी हाई है. बिल्कुल फ्रेश बढ़िया एकदम जैसा हम ड्राइंग करते थे मैंगो को वैसा चाहिए, है ना. देयर नो चेंज इन दैट. High investment cold storage should be like this. Again, another normative thing. This is not the real story everywhere for each product, but it should be like this. Packing norms. These are few case studies I have not brought in length right now. You may just go through. These are all from Uttarakhand. Sweet Drops is mango ka value chain. They are diversifying into value. Starting it started with honey. हनी से धीरे धीरे करके इन्होंने अपना बिजनेस जो है स्वीट ड्रॉप्स करके लाए हैं ये फॉर वैल्यू चेन ऑफ मैंगोस. द सेकंड वन इज रेड गोल्ड ऑर्गेनिक्स. कैन यू मेक इट आउट? रेड गोल्ड मतलब टोमेटो, एंड दिस टोमेटो इज प्योर ऑर्गेनिक एंड दे आर हैविंग, आई गेस इनका फार्म इज इन काशीपुर इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. देन हिमालयन ब्लूम्स, दिस इज फ्लोरल वैल्यू चेन in Uttarakhand. And they are not based here, Delhi mein, and then they procure from this area and the entire value chain is maintained. Finally, seeing the entire value chain analysis in horticulture and agriculture in broad, this is for you, food for thought. Impact of agricultural value chain on farmers, that this is what you have to decide. What could be possible areas of intervention? We have been discussing during the PPT as well, as agribusiness managers or otherwise also. What activities can be taken up as action research? So here I end up my lecture. Hope I was able to make you all understand the topic. Fine. A long hectic day. Thank you. I started late. I started very late.